Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great today. And the weather is finally back to being awesome once again. So I'm really excited to be out filming with my drones once again. And I have a pretty epic location that I want to share with you guys in today's video. I've taken my Mavic Air 2 and also the Dji Fpv drone, and I want to combine the footage and hopefully we'll be able to put together something really good looking. So I hope you are excited to see that. Now, before we start with the video, I recently received a package from PGYTech with some cool accessories for the Dji Fpv drone. I want to quickly show it to you and tell you a little bit more about how you can win one of these packages yourself. And then we'll get to the cinematic part of the video. Stay tuned. So let's begin with this first, as this is the new backpack that I just received from PGYTech. It's called the OneGo, and it's a very sleek, very comfortable, very stylish looking backpack. First, to open this backpack, you can't just open it like this. You need to pull this little tab right here, and it's magnetically held, and then it opens up the top compartment. And once I open up this compartment here, you will see everything that I have. So let's start from the top right here. This is the Dji Fpv drone without any props on. That is ideal if you want to not damage any of the inside of the backpack. I have my controller right here, and in this little pocket right here we have two things. I have my ND filters from Freewell, and now I'm also excited to check out the new PGYTech filters for the Dji Fpv drone. In this little magnetic case you have 3 filters. I'm a little bummed out to see that they didn't include ND32. They only have ND4, ND8 and ND16. In the future, if PGYTech decides to update these filters, I would be really happy to see ND32 and even ND64 being added to this kit. Next we have my goggles right here, just the stock V2 goggles for the Dji Fpv drone, and the battery of the drone itself. You have so many different ways to divide the backpack and put your own gear in a way that suits you best, so that's really convenient. And I have the battery for the goggles as well. Next, like I said, I've taken my Mavic Air 2. I have one battery, the remote, and the drone itself. I've taken everything with me so I can snap some photos and record some cinematic footage with the Air 2. It's been a while since I've taken it out to record something cool with it because the weather has just been really bad lately. But yeah, here inside this pocket I have a lens cleaning pen, and people who are always using cameras all the time, they know how important this is to clean the lens of your camera. You have 2 different ways to do it. Here you have this little sponge tip, and then you have a little brush that you can take out from the pen itself and use on your lens to clean it. So this is very cool, and it's also one of the accessories that you can win together with the ND filters for the FPV drone. And here in this top pocket, which is held magnetically, I have the props for my FPV drone right here, and some more filters again from PGYTech that I have for the Dji Mavic Air 2. So overall we have so many different pockets, and of course we have different pockets for your tripod, which I'm currently using. You can put a water bottle or anything that you want on the sides of the backpack, but overall it's a very stylish, sleek looking and very cool looking urban backpack that you can use, you know, when you want to be a little bit more incognito and you don't want to, you know, to be seen carrying drones. Sometimes that's really the case for me as well. You don't want to carry all of your drones outside on your backpack, so you can put them inside, and even though it's not a huge backpack, it can take a lot of stuff. You can see all the things that I've taken with me today in this backpack. You have a laptop compartment on the back where you can put your tablet and also your laptop, because you have 2 different compartments which are separated by a sleeve, which is very soft. And finally, the one thing that PGYTech is also giving away is this landing pad, which is just incredibly huge. And let me demonstrate. There you go. So you have 2 sides. You have the orange side and the blue side, and if you want to be completely sure that the wind is not going to pick it up and take it somewhere, you can use these little pins to strap it down to the ground, and That way you will know that it will stay there and it will not move. So right now, me and PGYTech are doing this little collaboration where you can win this lens cleaning pen, the ND filter set for the DJI FPV drone, and also this landing pad. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, follow me and PGYTech on Instagram, and drop a comment below so I can contact you. Now, I think it's time to stop talking, start flying, and see what we can come up with in this amazing place.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.